Is your Honda CR-V failing to start despite the key being inside the cabin? Statistically, most push-to-start failures are caused by simple signal interference or a dying fob battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get you back on the road. Start by confirming your battery terminals are clean, the brake is pressed firmly, and the transmission is securely in park. If the car doesn't detect the key, try holding the fob directly against the start button while pressing it. If the electronics wake up but the engine doesn't crank, investigate the starter relay or the brake light switch. Simple battery swaps can save you a tow, but electrical system faults usually require professional scanning tools. As you can see, the key fob battery is the most common culprit for Honda starting issues. If you have an OBD-I scanner, check for Immobilizer codes and verify your battery voltage is above 12.4. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and a spare CR2032 battery in your glove box for emergencies. Remember, never force a jump start if you suspect a deeper computer or Immobilizer issue. If this helped you get your CR-V started, hit subscribe for more Honda troubleshooting tips.